Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 moving averages on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to the top left and click on Insert. Go to Indicators, Trend, and choose this one, Moving Average. Click on it. We have here period, type 20. Method, choose Simple. And we have here the style. This is for the color of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And we have here the thickness of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, this one. Click on OK. Now this is our 20 moving average. So let's add the 50. Go to Insert, Indicators, Trend, and Moving Average. Now we have here 20. Change it to 50. Method, I will keep it simple. The color, I will change it to white, for example. And the thickness, I will keep it on this one and click on OK. And that's it. Now we have here the 50 moving average. As you can see, moving average 50. And we have here the 20 moving average 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.